Tara's Trips, always top notch. The best Harley Davidson dealership in the country.
Oh my God.
The Lake Superior Circle Tour trip begins right now. Good morning, everybody. It is a great day to ride. Great day to ride with your friends this time around because I am back in Palos Heights now. We're picking up Mr. Mike, me and Tara. The Lake Superior Circle Tour trip begins right now. So back when me and Tara first taking trips, we took a Lake Michigan Circle Tour trip, had an incredible time. Since then, we've been itching to take another one. This time it's Lake Superior. She planned it to a T. It's gonna be, I believe, 7 days. All kinds of great stops, great roads along the way. Today, day one, be roughly a little over 200 miles, taking a lot of back roads, a lot of twisties. Got some cool stops in between. But for starters, there is one big addition, one big upgrade to the fleet here. That is Tara's bike. That's right, Tara has gotten rid of her 2017 Street Glide. She has a 2024 Road Glide now, Road Glide Crew. Black on black, you know the deal. Picking up Mr. Mike here, 3 Amigs, ride again. Let's get on the road, get to doing it. Our destination, yeah, Little Chute, Wisconsin. Mr. Mike's gonna take us the good way there, maybe hit a little dealership, we'll see. You look down to my right, yeah, I got my hand wrapped up just a little bit. Had a slight mishap yesterday. It's my own dumb fault. That's all I want to say about that, but nothing that's gonna stop me from riding. Little bump in the road, no big deal. It's time to get out of Illinois. Let's do it. State of the year. Let's go. Feels good to be here. Let's keep it rolling. Next stop is the Okonomic Harley Davidson dealer. What up, Tara?
What up, Curtis?
Where are we at here?
Oconomowoc.
Okay.
Harley Davidson, I think.
Oconomowoc?
We're in Oconomowoc.
Okay. That's a lot easier to say than that lake over there, Massachusetts, whatever.
What lake? I don't know what you're talking about.
Webster Lake, Chargogog, Manchagog, Chmunagungumog.
Took a look at some wildly expensive bikes. Took a look at some expensive shirts. I bought nothing but a Mountain Dew. We're back on the road, bound for Little Chute, Wisconsin. Mr. Mike's gonna press on up there. He's gonna tuck his head behind that windshield on the road, can't keep on riding. We really did sneak through a pretty good spot, it looks like. That's pretty nasty out there. That's kind of nasty out there. Keep it rolling. Upward and onward to the sun. pretty up here though. This looks like a nice little town. Oh, windmill up here. What is, oh, Little Chute. This is where we're staying. All right, made it to the country. Country Inn and Suites. Tara's going this way, I'm going this way. Come on. Well, we've been in Little Chute, Wisconsin here for a little bit. Got things set up in the hotel room and made our way over to El Jeripo Mexican restaurant. I got a bandera burrito, 7.9 out of 10. That's chicken, onions, mild sauce, green sauce, solid. Stop if you ever run through central Wisconsin here. But anyway, we did about 250 miles. We got a little rain, hit some decent roads here, hit state number 28 for me, America's Dairyland, Wisconsin. Here we are. But that's gonna do it. On to tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. Day number 2 out on the road, Lake Superior Circle Tour trip. Today's destination, Houghton, Michigan, 274 miles. So just now, we're riding down the road, been on the road for a good half hour now. I see the sign said Bonduel, Wisconsin. And I know Bonduel, Wisconsin because of Doc's Harley Davidson right behind me. I've been here about 7 years ago. This has got to be the best Harley Davidson dealership in the country. I'm saying it right now. They got it all. Muscle car museum, they got a zoo, they got a cafe where the fans are windshields, they got a 7-8 person motorcycle with all different engines from the different generations over the years in that cafe. They do a huge party here every year. They got a smoker that was made from a semi-truck trailer. Doc, amazing guy. He's rode in the Cannonball, where they ride like 100-year-old bikes across the country multiple times. Tara didn't even have this as a planned stop. She just seen the sign and started pulled over. So, lots to see here. We can literally spend all day here. Let's go inside, check it out.
Oh my God. Hi, Bonnie. Curse, watch your.
Oh, hey, bud.
Get a good fly.
You guys want to hold a ferret or anything? That was Ozzy.
Ozzy.
That's the boy.
Hi, Ozzy. How you doing, bud?
I don't know how it's filming. I can't see a screen, so I'm just guessing right now.
Hi.
Oh my gosh, there's a bunny over there.
Alright, you can look at the buddy. That's Buzz.
Oh, yeah.
What's up, buddy?
That's Buzz.
Hi, Buzz. Hey, Buzz. Hi, Buzz. You are so soft. Soft. Oh my gosh. Whoa.
Literally right next to you.
Yes. I am so glad I decided to stop here.
Oh, look at that guy.
Oh wow. What's up, bud? Oh, that's it.
Hey, bud. Red kangaroo, largest kangaroo and the largest marsupial. Ah, just chilling out. Ralphie the porcupine. He's in the back here. Is he like right behind the that black drum?
Oh yeah, sleeping. Or dead. Hopefully sleeping.
Look at the quills though.
Oh yeah.
Seen the dealership, the museum, the inside zoo, the outside zoo. Time to see the gators in Wisconsin.
Oh, wait, is that? No, that's fake. You never know. God, they look dead. The pig.
Oh yeah, he's got a
Whoa.
mohawk.
Mohawk? Look at that goat.
Oh, he's living his best life. Hey, bud.
Ooh.
What's going on?
Hey, buddy.
How you
Hi.
doing? I have nothing for you, but
You gotta eat that GoPro.
How's that taste? What's that thing? I'm gonna eat that. I'm gonna eat that. Hey.
so we just about seen it all here. Doc's Harley Davidson. Tara, would you agree that this is the best Harley Davidson dealership in America?
I would say that this is the best Harley Davidson dealership I've been to.
Okay.
And I mean, it'd be hard to compete against this. It's got animals, it's got boats, it's got motorcycles, Ferris wheels, gators. I don't think any other dealership can compete with that.
We gotta come back here for the party.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
We had a great time at Doc's. There are unique and interesting things to see all over the property. One of my favorites was of Doc's own creation, the Timeline motorcycle. A 24.5-foot long motorcycle with 7 engines that show the progression of Harley from 1909 through to the twin cam engine. All engines combine for a total of 538 cubic inches, and they all run and contribute power to the bike. Excellent stop. Could have spent longer there. But we gotta keep things rolling here. Make our way into Michigan. Headed towards the UP today, Upper Peninsula. I'm very excited. There's excellent riding out there. I'm sure Tara's got some great stuff planned for us. Michigan is state number 29. America's Dairyland is in the rear view. This is so beautiful. I wish you guys could feel how crisp and clean and cool this air is right now. It feels so good. Finally made it, Lake Superior, to stay at Houghton, Houghton. I don't care that Michigan. We're staying in Michigan tonight. And from there we're running clockwise. Minnesota, state number 30, maybe tomorrow, I don't know. Out into Canada, I can't wait. The Super 8. Let's go. Right on the water.
Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it.
We unloaded our bikes checked out easily the best Super 8 I've ever seen, rolled into downtown and had a nice meal at Joey's Seafood. Then capped off the day watching the sunset on the back deck. Good morning, everybody. Day number 3, Lake Superior Circle Tour trip. Finally saw the lake yesterday, and it's beautiful. I'm gonna start feeding you some interesting facts about the lake. Number 1, Lake Superior, the biggest of the 5 Great Lakes. It holds 10% of the world's fresh water. If you put it over North America, it would cover North America with 1 foot of water. But today, our trip, it's gonna be about 280 miles. Gonna go end up in Ashland, Michigan. Tara, what's our route looking like today? What are we gonna see? What do you got in store for us here?
Today we are going up to Copper Harbor, and then we're gonna continue on to Ashland. But basically, we're in Houghton, Michigan now. You shoot up to Copper Harbor, scenic views. There's actually a state park over there as well. Visit that, then swing back down, and then get to Ashland, Wisconsin, to stay for the night, and hopefully it doesn't rain on us when we do it. So I'm putting on the rain gear now, because if I put the rain gear on, that means it's not going to rain. So we're gonna be in good shape.
Alrighty, thank you, Tara. Tara's trips always top notch. Just fun riding with her and Mike. But anyway, we got some miles to ride. Let's get on the road, get it going. Been on the road here a good 40 minutes, making our way up to Copper Bay, which this piece of land we're on right now, we're gonna take it to the top. It is the northernmost point of Upper Peninsula of Michigan. Beautiful 69-degree weather right now. These roads are beautiful. Can't ask for nothing else. Copper Harbor, Michigan, come on. This place is alive right now. Here she is, right here. Come and get her.
That's an ambulance, not a cop car. Guess go to the hospital. Is there a parade actually starting?
Here we go. It's starting right now, I guess, Tara. Just arrived at the Eagle Harbor Lighthouse, which is closed today. All the volunteers are off for the day, as it is July 4th. And yes, my videos are way outdated. It takes a long time to edit the videos. But anyway, this lighthouse here, it was originally put here, 1851. That one didn't last too long. What you see now, this was built in 1871. And it was a manned lighthouse all the way until 1980 when it became automated. But the Coast Guard continues to operate the Eagle River Lighthouse today. It is a pretty nice little spot here. Of course, back when it was originally built in 1851, there was not a lot of roads, little to none. So maritime travel, that's the main mode. Come out here, just beautiful. Up here in the UP. There you go, 1871. riding on Chicagoland, and it's pretty warm. It's in the 80s. We got close to the city and just got a blast of that cold Lake Superior air coming down on us. We had it for a good while, and then now we're back in this hot pocket of air. It's going back up. 83. 2 minutes ago it was at 78 degrees. Let's see what we get here. All right, we was in the hot section. Now we're back in the freezer section. 86. Oh, there's 84 already. We're going down. There's the water. 82. What do we got? What do we got? 80. 80 in 30 seconds right there. It's cold. There's 78. All right. All right. Now we're in some medium. Dropping. Temp's still dropping. Oh, it's hot again. It's literally like walking in and out of air conditioning is what it feels like out here. It's crazy. It's cool though. Just like that, Michigan is in the rear view and we are back into Wisconsin, state number 28, America's dairy land. Come on. So this is the spot here? Splashland Adventure?
Yeah, you're gonna see me on the water slides, guys.
Hell yeah. Day number 3. This is the abode. Ashland, Wisconsin. Right on Lake Superior. Come on.
Oh, there's tubes. Nice.
Just got done playing normal cornhole over here, and I said, what is that thing over there? Giant, those are pillows.
All right, we gotta play giant cornhole for a second. Can't miss, huh? The way it gracefully goes into the hole is so peaceful. Oh, that was gone! You bastard! That was gonna go in! That was going in!
The Lake Superior Circle Tour trip will continue on next week with weather, more state lines, Minnesota, and more shenanigans. I'm on the edge of my seat right now.